welcome to the second part of concatenating column values. I hope you have practiced all previous one. So we'll be using the same BTEC table, and today we will see that how you can use different types of elements and literals with table columns. This is our table, and what we have seen earlier was, suppose we type as select one from dual, how many answer will come? Rightly guessed, one answer will come. One from dual. But however, if you type it like this, select one from BTEC, what will come? Again, some of you can guess, 8 times 1 will come. Now, why it is happening so? Because SQL supports the use of literal with the table also. But if you don't use any column of the table, then also it is allowed. That is why the answer is coming like this. Okay, so try this. Let us see another example. Again, select star from BTEC is our table. Let us open another window so that you can see the data. Now, if you try to type select 1 comma name from BTEC, so you can guess what will happen. Now, or what Oracle will do. See, this is literal and name from BTEC. So name is the column of the table. So what Oracle does is it will extract value of name from each row. It will go to first column, second column, third column, fourth, fifth, sixth, and along with this, it will select one. So answer will be something like this. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you. Now, what you can use? Now you can use a string literal, you can use a numeric literal. What is a numeric literal? Just now we have used one, so one is a numeric literal. What is a string literal? Let us see an example. Select one is a numeric literal, comma Kapil is a string literal, comma name from BTEC. Now you can guess what will happen. Very correct. One is a numeric literal, Kapil is a string literal, and name is the column. So for every row, the name will come, and along with this will be displayed. Okay. So this is numeric, this is string literal, and this is column. So what we are trying to learn in this is this. You can use a string literal, you can use a numeric literal, you can use a function. What is a function? Let us see again with an example. Select again numeric literal, Kapil string literal, sysdate. So sysdate is a function, comma a column name from BTEC. So what will happen? Right? This will happen. Okay. So we have used string, we have used numeric, we have used function. Now similarly we can use expression. So what is an expression? You can type something like this: 2 into 300. This is a expression, comma a column name from BTEC. Again what will happen? The answer will come like this. You can see numeric literal, string literal, function, expression, table column. And you can also use a pseudo column. You know there are 2-3 pseudo columns available in Oracle, like row num, row ID. This can be used. So what we can take? We can take select row num, comma. Let us take them all again. Name from BTEC. So you can see the answer has come. So this is what? This is a pseudo column. This is a numeric literal. This is a string literal. This is a function. This is a expression, and this is a table column. Now there is one more thing which you can use after select, that is star. But if you are using star in your query, you cannot use any other element. Okay. So if we try to use star, let us see. Select star, comma, any of these. What will happen? You can guess. Yes, error will come. So star comes alone. Others can come in combination. But you can type select star from beta. Okay. Now what I will suggest is please try all these examples one by one. Okay. And also make a note in the copy just like you create notes in the classroom. Because unless and until you will write with your own hands, you will not remember. So my suggestion to you is please make notes. Okay. Without note, it will be difficult for you to remember. And at the end of the semester or the tutorial or syllabus, it will be difficult for you to recollect all the information. But if you will keep writing in notes, it will help you a lot. Thanks a lot. We will return back with the next topic. Thank you very much. Please practice all these things and please do make notes in the copy. Thank you.